Hello guys, it's your boy Roddy P. I'm here to introduce our new channel, Half Rain Films. Please go subscribe, hit the like button, share, and if you go to IG, you will find it. Half Rain Films. We are bringing up a new series, Perfect Things. It will be hot, so wait for this new series. Thanks, and shout out to the crew members.
Yeah, hello. I'm Prince Kuman Higan, aka Fanboy DH, SK Guest President, and I'm here to tell you Halfway Films is bringing you a new series called Perfect Things. And as for we, the Americans, in California, we're gonna speak Kishi, that bro, as well, Kulu. Tanzania, the Mokana, Charlie, Gebe. It's gonna be fun, Charlie. Charlie, stay tuned.
Please like, subscribe.
How possible we hear of this?
Yo guys, it's your boy Luminary. Please, I'm here to tell you a great news. Please go to our YouTube channel, search for Half Rain Films. Half Rain Films. Please go there and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are bringing you the best and excitement series on YouTube. Please don't forget to subscribe. I said don't forget to subscribe. Please have patience and wait for us. We are bringing you the best series called Perfect Things. Thank you.
Nana mini do never boy enable big dreams and check they go see me on the big screens and billboards. Me na me demo chin chin. Very soon boys go pay for the 16s. Grr, grr. Yo Charlie, it's your boy Dotson and it's all about Perfect Thing series coming up. Go subscribe to our YouTube channel, Half Rain Films. Yo Charlie, let's support. Grr, I'm out. Pow.